Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by importing your video files and any external audio into the project. You want a sequence that matches the camera's frame rate and resolution. This prevents drift later. Once your reference video is on the timeline, enable audio waveforms so you can see peaks from a clap or slate. If you recorded timecode, make sure it's visible in metadata. Next, trim rough in points so clips share a common starting area. This makes the next sync step fast and accurate. With clips prepared, select the camera clip and the external audio clip together. Right-click and choose Synchronize, then pick audio if you have clear waveforms or timecode if available. Premiere analyzes and aligns peaks for you. Once aligned, make sure to check the sync by playing a few seconds. If it's off, zoom in and nudge the audio a frame or two to match transients. If automatic syncing struggles, align the distinctive waveform spikes manually. This is slower, but precise. Once synced, create a merged clip or nest the video and the external audio so they move as one. Disable the camera's onboard mic track to avoid phase issues, then render the segment to hear real-time playback. Before exporting, ensure the audio sample rate and sequence settings are consistent, typically 48 kHz. If you notice drift over longer takes, check for mismatched frame rates or sample rates. As a fix, either conform clip speed or use a dedicated tool like Plural Eyes or a rate stretch adjustment to restore alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.